Okay, so the question is tn equal to greatest integer function of 1 by 4 plus n by 20. Okay, now our question is when will, for what value of n this sum will be 50. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let us try to reduce it, like we get numerator by denominator form, so like this into instead of this separate fraction, so that it becomes easy for us. Like whenever the value this changes from 1 to 2, it becomes 2.xx is it becomes, we can write the value as 2. 1.xs we can write it as 1. Okay, that easy, it becomes easy for us to write. Okay, so first of all we'll change in that form. Okay, so we can write this as 1 by 40. This can be written as 5 by multiply by 5 throughout, means numerator and denominator, so this will be 5 by n by 20. Okay, now just see this thing. The value of this overall will be 1. Overall value will be 1 by the time this particular thing is less than this. Okay, so by the time 5 by n is less than 20, we'll be getting, like if this is less than 20, we'll be getting the value of fraction as 0.xx, right? And 0 GIF of 0.xx is 0. Okay, so basically 5 by n less than 20, so n less than 15. Okay, so from n equal to 0 or I would say 1. Okay, so starting from 1 to less than 15 means 14. So till 14 values we'll be getting, each of the values will be 0. Okay, now this is for 0 is done. When will the bracket, not 1, it was sorry this was 1, 0 I said. Okay, when will the value of this this GIF will become 1? Okay, by the time this 5 by n by 20 starts from 1 to 1.xx it is. Okay, then this will be 1. Okay, then the overall value will be 1. Okay, or we can see that we can calculate for 2 and just one lesser integer we will take, and this will be in our limit. Okay, so 5 plus n by 20 will become 1. When will it become 1? Just after this value at 15. Okay, at 15 it becomes, and by till when it can be less than 2. It can be less than 2 by the time 5 by n less than 2 into 20, right? Because we know that we want this value to be 5 plus n by 20 value less than 2. So 5 plus n less than 2 by 20, so n less than 35. Okay, so n less than 35. So from 15 to 34. Okay, so 15 to 34, how many values? 34 minus 15 plus 1, so 20 values it is. Okay, so 20 values means 20 into 1 equal to 20 value it is. Okay, so till 34 we'll get the sum. So starting from n equal to 1 to 34 we'll get the sum to be 20. Okay, now our demand is total, we want to get how much? Total we want to get 50. It is given. Total we want to get 50 and 20 we have got. So now we know that all the values from starting from next value is 35. So 35 plus 5 will be how much? 40. So 40 by 20 will be 2. So starting from 2, starting from 35 to next 15 or 20 values, whatever you say, or next few values will give us what? Will give us 2. Okay, now we have 20, we have got 20. So 50 minus 20, 30 is yet left to be achieved, and we know that 2, so 15. So 2 will be getting, so 30 by 2 is 15. Okay, so 15 numbers from here. Okay, let us check that 15 numbers from here will be what? Okay, starting from 34, 15 numbers. So this will be 34 plus 15 will be till 49. Okay, 49. So n equal to 49 will give us what? 49 plus 5 by 20. So this will be less than 60. So less than 60 means 2.xx. So it will give 2 only. So this is permissible. Okay, so till 49 we'll get 30. Okay, so 30 to 50 our goal is achieved, and n is starting from 1 till 49. So number of values will be 49. So 49 is the answer.